Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I think this is from the Apex Pass Run group, but I'm not 100% sure what is in here. As usual, we will find out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these cool stickers or some other exclusive benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and make our swift and precise incision with our instrument of extreme precision. Did I already say precision? Okay. VDK. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. I know who this person is. Scott. Thank you so much for sending this. I appreciate that. Let's find out what this looks like. All right, here we go. Ooh, some green. Oh, okay. This is beautiful. So, okay, now I understand that this color is not for everybody, but there are certain colors of anodization that I really, really like. And it's just because we don't see them as often. You see them a lot more now than you did, you know, years ago. But green and purple always really stand out to me. Okay, I know. Ooh, man. That is one heck of a tanto. Look at that. It's kind of a stubby tanto. The nice, I don't know what we call this back here. Sort of a curved drop. And it's very smooth. Very similar to other VDK knives that I've handled. Look at that. Absolutely drop shut. What is the name of this? It will undoubtedly say in the title. Well, yeah, it'll say in the title of the video. This is pretty cool. So we have this beautiful sort of, you see we've got some iridescence going on there where it bends to almost like a light blue, and then as you turn it, it changes to green. Some beautiful contouring here. Milling on the inside of the titanium, of course, steel lock bar insert, M390. Pocket clip actually don't... A lot of times I complain about pocket clips that are like this simple, it's just like a bent popsicle stick, but it looks all right on this. Truthfully, the most striking parts of this are absolutely the blade and the anodization on the handle. I am completely and totally unfamiliar with this model, but as usual, I will look into it and kind of figure out what's going on here, and then ultimately give you guys my thoughts here after a few weeks. This is pretty interesting. Really, the contrast between the black hardware and the anodization on the handle is, I think, what makes this stand out so much. I'm going to guess that there's probably alternate variants of this. If I can provide links for this knife, I will absolutely do that down below. But I don't know that there's... God, it's really smooth. It is completely and totally drop shut. And it's actually... Hang on, let me feel this out. Yeah, it's almost completely and totally frictionless. This is pretty interesting. Initially, I thought that handle, you know, a lot of times with narrow handles, I'm kind of like, I don't know, you know, I don't know if I'm really going to be able to hang on to it and manipulate it the way I want. But I think it's because of that, maybe that rise in the back that makes it easy to engage and disengage. You're going to have a rough time keeping your hands off of that lock bar when you are flipping it, you know, I guess, compared to other knives with a larger frame. But it is very easy to manipulate, and the detent strength is good. This is just another example of a very interesting, sort of a very uniquely shaped titanium frame lock flipper. But another example of, you know, what today's knife world is capable of in terms of quality, fit, and finish, especially inside of the pivot. All right, did I add enough dialogue to make that last longer than 4 minutes? I don't know why that's my marker on unboxings, is 4 minutes or so. But I want you guys to get a good look at the stuff that I'm unboxing, right? And so maybe some of my dialogue is a little bit filler, but I'm just kind of saying whatever pops into my head initially. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it. I don't know that there's much more I can say, so I think we're going to end it right there. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.